Okay, I'm gonna do my Starbucks run today. I put some Rain X on my windshield, so should be good. And here's the result of my. I took out all the mounts that I have, previous mounts, so to make it nice and clear. Okay, I'm gonna nudge. Yeah, the weather is it's inclement today, so just want to make sure the mount, you know, my current mount, it's really well tested on any time, any conditions. Um, Again, this is a Clearpoint driver model. So obviously, I've been testing this one. If you follow my channel, I've been testing them all around town. Um, See the viability of the model. And then my current setup. It seems like it loves lane lines. Okay, so if there's lane lines, you're good. Again, put Rain-X on my windshield, so the water just bids roll bid it bids and it rolls up. Um, and the model has no problem with it. As long as you can see, I can see the road clear, and it can see the road clear too. Again, whenever you're changing lanes, make sure that it, you know, engages on the lane that you. Okay, I'm gonna help out here. Let me see. Let me see my nudge. It's nudge one, nudge two. So it did some. It does help a bit. And I will tell you if I'm overriding the, you know what I'm saying? If I'm overriding, I will tell you. Right now, I'm just touching the wheel just for a tactile feel. Um, okay, I'm gonna set this one at 50. Again, this is merging. Merging is it's not bad. Again, the lines are solid. Okay, this off ramp here, I'm always having trouble, so I'm just gonna put my hands just in case. Good, very good. So that off ramp is good because a lot of models I tend to go off ramp. Okay, so but with this one, I'm cool. Here's the curve. Nice, nice curve here. Yeah, I think this model is for urban areas where there's a lot of lane lines around you. Okay, so that's why it feels so good compared to the other ones. Again, I don't look at the code. I just I just base it on the way I feel about the drive. So here's a curve here, plenty of space. So I'm trying to go with the flow traffic, at least in the slow lane. So I might need a nudge up ahead because it's kind of tight of a curve. This is a 55 mile per hour curve, and it will go down to a like 40 mile per hour curve. And let's see how it fare. So this curve is 45, and I'm set at 50. Let's see how it goes. Okay, made it. So this one is the critical one. I might nudge, I might not. Okay, made it. So, but I'm kind of like close to the. So usually, if I feel like I'm not gonna make it, I mean, I'm like borderline. I will nudge a bit, and the nudge will take care of my torque. Again, I always put my hand here as a barrier whenever there's a car beside me. Same thing here. Oh, okay. Oh, this is a great segment because I was having trouble with NPR on that segment, but with the clairvoyant driver, it's nice. So far so good. The drive is so far so good. No bad segment yet. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna chill and then just follow this slow car here. The main thing is if it's hugging or but right now it's nice and center. It's nice and center. Again, I'm not using any wiper. It's Rain-X. And the lines are solid. So that means the confidence of the model matching with with the road, so they're confident about it. Yeah, this is the first time I clean up my my windshield. Um, I did not put the cover back, but I at least hide the cabling under the this one, the headline or whatever you call it. It's like a foam thing, so I hide it. So basically, all you just see is the LCAS camera, and I VHP my dash mount here. So yeah, so it's nice. There's for the first time, because it's been, I don't even bother fixing it up for years. Okay, here's curve here. Again, nice, nice and aggressive. Um, very nice. You can tell if the model is having difficulty. You can tell by the drive. Okay, the drive is not planted, and the drive is not if it's kind of iffy. Saying like you have butterflies in your stomach. That's how you can tell. So right now with my setup and everything, it's planted. So I'm like 100% confident on the drive. Um, Let me make it 55. Especially with the cars beside me, yeah, there's plenty of space. See, this is the one that I like. I don't like too much of a left bias. I like it the center and or off center. Um, so so the water is beginning to beat as it accumulates. Um, Again, the lines are solid. Um, yeah, I like it center. Here's a curve here. Plenty. See, it's not line diving. Um, and again, it makes you a better driver because it makes you cautious. Like me here, it's raining, inclement weather. I drive slow. Why? Because you get more grip on the road compared to if you're speeding. That's science. Saying, okay, here's a tight curve here. I'm gonna put my hand just in case. It's nice and aggressive, guys. Nice and aggressive. Nice and aggressive. Again, well centered. Yeah, the only bad thing with this model is, as I said earlier, it's the auto lane change, automatic lane change. Okay, here's another curve here. Very aggressive, guys. Wow, it's really good. Yeah, it's the ALC. That's it. That's the only bad thing. Although I never tested long. Okay, that's the thing. So I don't test long. Um, so don't worry. The ALC with my fork, I took it out. I disabled it, so everything should be nice and smooth. Here's another curve here. Again, perfect curve. Look at the steering wheel. It's nice. It's very, very nice. Yeah, as long as there's lines, I noticed. Even tar lines. Okay. Um, Here's another upcoming curve here. So I'm doing gas press. So, okay, it's nice. Okay, let me see when I do a. It's gonna be smooth, okay, because there's no ALC. Because as you know, ALC is triggered by a nudge, okay, but it's crappy though. That's why I disable it. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it down a little bit, okay, because my exit is gonna be. Okay, here's another tight curve. This is one of my favorite test segment. If I can make it with the flow traffic, without any line diving, and then there's a merging here. The merging is so fluid. Yep. So this is a great model. Yeah, that seals it. This is a great model. Um, okay, here's. I'm gonna turn it down. Yeah. So oh, by the way, Aragon is back. You know, Aragon. I don't know, but anyway, he's back. So he got a C3X. So yeah, so I haven't tried this one, so I have no. There's no conclusion yet if he likes it or not. But I'm hoping. I'm crossing my fingers that he likes my my fork of the of the of this what work of CD clairvoyant driver a model. Okay, so I'm gonna go Surface Street. So I'm gonna go since I'm gonna go Starbucks. Um, okay, let's see what happened here. Again, I'm trying to have my anchor here. So merging, good. It's very good. And there's yellow line here. Plenty of space from the yellow line. Plenty of space. Nice. This is nice. Yeah, I think it's proven that um, it doesn't like yellow line, so stay away. It stay away from it. So okay, this is Starbucks Martinez. So this is gonna be my end of the year video because I think I always do an end of the year video. So again, thank you guys for subscribing, following me, and you know I apologize for too much videos. You know, I'm just so excited. You know that you know my goal. You know my goal of having a clear view of the road. At the same time, I can use Openpilot reliably and have been accomplished. Okay, with with no extra with no extra parts. Okay, because when I used to do it over here, um, what you call this, you have to buy parts. You know, when I used to do low mount over there, still you have to buy an USB extension cable. But with this one, all you have to do is just move it to the left. Just a venti light foam flat white with four raw sugars. That's it. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I accomplished my goal. Um, you don't need to be on the latest model to be the greatest model. You know what I'm saying? This is open pilot. What it means is you can always tinker it to the best code that you know that will perform the best on your car. Okay, if I do um, if I do master CI or masters, there's a lot of hugging, ping pong, and everything. Same thing with release three. That's an old release. I uh, I tested it, but compared to clairvoyant, clairvoyant is better. You know what I'm saying? So you have to go to whatever you have to use whatever model that really suits your needs. That's why I always put your miles may vary because different cars, different results. Okay, so I don't expect this setup will work for all auto cars, but I'm hoping at least on the Accord it should work the same as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hi, can you scan this one, please? I think I'm the only one in the U.S. with that one. It took me like I've been I just 6 months ago. But the thing is, they can take a picture though and steal it. I there you go. I know, like a parking thing. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I have my Starbucks barcode taped to my side view mirror on top of my side view mirror. So um, okay, so we're gonna go. We're gonna go Surface Street. Okay, Surface Street. Okay, regarding stop sign, stoplight, again, my our Accord is in on the at the bottom of the totem pole when it comes to tuning. So it's not for me. It's not recommended. I mean, it's not it's not worth it to test experimental long. Okay, so because they're tuning, I think they're tuning Corollas first, and then the Toyotas, and then the Hyundai. So it's not worth it. Okay, so our Bosch is really good. The stock ACC Honda Sensing. The radar is really good. So yeah, so I don't mind. I don't mind at all if my white cam is black by the dotted area because I don't use it. I don't use the white cam. Uh, okay, this is the yellow line, plenty of space. Here's a tight curve, so I'm gonna nudge it one time. Maybe it doesn't. See, it locks twice. Yeah. So And the 24/7 steering, before I was like, you know what, I might miss the 24/7 steering if I'm gonna do stock. You know what I'm saying? Actually, I don't miss it because you know why? Um, for me, it's the model's performance. It's my main thing. As long as that my model is very, very good. Uh, it's very, very good. I don't mind engaging and disengaging at all. You know, I'm gonna get used to it. Okay. Yeah, because it's the model. The 24/7 steering is nothing, but if your model sucks, you know what I'm saying? Um, so again, I disabled the ALC, so my lane change is it doesn't bother me because the ALC is very aggressive. Okay, once it detects nudging, it's very aggressive. Okay, here's a tight curve here. Um, it's very good. It's a bump. Okay, I'm gonna dial it down to 50. Okay. Another tight curve here. So I'm gonna push it. So this is my anchor car. 63. So I'm just touching the wheel, guys. So 62. And the drive is solid, planted, well planted. And I got merging coming up. So I'm merging right now. Yeah, merging is smooth. Whenever I drive fast, I put my hand on the steering wheel. And because there's a lot of cars around, that's why. So there's one more coming up. Okay, I'm gonna slow down. Just do a chill drive. Turn here. It's very nice. Okay, there's an off ramp here. So let me see. I don't think I'm gonna. I think it's proven. This one is proven. I'm gonna go straight. There you go. There's a bump there. Okay, there's an anchor car here. Oh, too bad. Okay, anchor car. So off ramp here. Very good. So far, there's no off ramp, follow. Okay, I'm gonna let go of my gas. Just let it engine brake. Okay, merging. Let me see. Let me feel it. Merging is smooth, gradual. That's a big ass merge. It feels gradual, feels battery smooth. Okay. Again, I never use my wiper at all because I have Rain X. As long as you can, if you see clear, I mean, if you still see traffic, then it's still good. Okay, there's a curve here. There's a big bump here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna touch the steering wheel. Just touch it. Okay. So if I need to take over, I'm close enough. Okay, here's the bump. Bump. Okay. So this one, the right line having trouble recognizing it. The road is slope. Okay. So we're gonna go curve, and this is gonna be flat. Again, the curves are perfect. The curves are perfect. This curve is perfect. I got that brake thingy. Sometimes I do get those phantom brake. Oh, actually, am I too close with the? That's why I'm too close with the big rig. Okay. Again, the drive is still solid. It's very solid, very confident. Okay. And it's still tracing the line very solidly. Merging. Perfect. Let me see here. See, go straight. So there is no follow. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn it down. It's 25. Let's see what happened here. All the curves are great. All the curves are great. Okay. Let me stop then. Re-engage. There you go. It locks. Nice. Okay, let me slow it down. So I'm gonna use this as my anchor. Oh, it's merging. So this one, I'm kind of like close to the yellow line. So that's one of the bad segment. Okay. Um, but here's good. Yeah, it's not 100% perfect. 99. 99. So it's a 9.9 out of 10. Okay, turn it down. Let me see here. Nice. Nice, nice. Okay. There you go, guys. Again, thank you. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, guys, and may you have a Happy New Year. Again, this is Eisenheim. Thank you for following. Please do leave. Please subscribe and leave a like. Um, yeah. So that concludes my testing. Bye.